Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix ZEPTO wallet cache not working. So if it's not working guys, what you can do, first things first, go to your Google Play Store and search for the app itself. Search for ZEPTO, the wallet cache app, and you just want to update it. For example, if I open the app, okay, one of my apps that I have on my phone, and I come here, I click on it. Instead of open, it says update. Then what you want to do is just click on update and update it that way. Or what we can do now, guys, is also clear the cache. So this is the app right here. You can click on this, like hold on it, and then you'll see things like app info. You want to click on that. And then basically, guys, you want to come to storage and cache, and you want to click down here, clear storage, and you also want to click on clear cache. This should usually fix your app's issues. What you can also do is reinstall the app. So you can uninstall the app and install it back again. That is another option what you can do. You can search it back up and install it again. Or guys, the last resort would be to just restart your device. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to the channel. Turn on those bell notifications guys, and I'll see you guys next time.